So let's go ahead and demo that. So first we're going to go over to the Git repository, and we are going to issue a pull request from dev, not to master, but to test. And so let's look at the changes there. So we can see we're adding those modules. We're changing that variable name to OtterVar 8. And there's some other ancillary changes here, commenting out some code, and looks like a syntax change. So let's create that pull request. We're going to merge it. Okay, and then we go back to Otter, and we look at our test VM. So the current configuration looks like we have some drift here. Should be remediated by when we run the next remediation. So let's first check the configuration. So let's view that execution. So test is, in this case, not an Azure VM. This is my local system, so it'll run a little bit faster. But it is going to use the WinRM for communication, so it is a remoting call effectively. Which is nice because then you have consistency, whether it's local, remote, it's the same protocol, same firewall rules. Okay, so let's look at that configuration. Okay, so now we see changes. So this is drifted. My OtterVar 8 apparently already existed, so that's okay. But these three modules did not exist. So let's remediate that by running. So now it's going to issue the WinRM requests to my local system, verify the configuration's current, and then install those packages. So we're still in the test phase for the modules, and now we're probably entering into the remediation phase. Lots of logging. So yes, we're in the set phase for DSC. So now we're setting that drifted configuration. The packages are being pulled down from PowerShell gallery and installed. So we got a green, so no errors. That's great. We'll refresh this, and now we have greens across the board. That's excellent. And we'll take a look. Let's do get DSC resource. And now we'll see all those resources grouped by the module. So the module is that third column. We have the Windows Update, the Web Administration, and the NTFS Access Control. And so let's also verify that our variables got changed appropriately. Let's go to, let me get the command for that. Too many times. Again, too many times. Okay, so those variables are set. That's great. And that's pretty much it for promoting code within Otter.